Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be covering a few different Shopify hacks for ways that you can use AI to help you with your dropshipping store if you're dropshipping furniture and high-ticket products using Shopify. These are a few beginner-friendly tips for ways that you can use AI tools to help you improve your Shopify product pages, as well as other sections in your Shopify store. And also, if you're a newbie to using Shopify and you're still deciding between which official plan to choose, I do have a way that you guys can get your first 3 months on Shopify for just $1. I will link that Shopify sign-up link in my description box below for if you'd like to spend your first 3 months on Shopify setting up your store without having to commit just yet to a long-term plan. Let's get straight into this video. For the first AI hack, this will be a way that you can improve your product listings for your dropshipping products. And this will be to use Shopify's free AI image enhancer to enhance your product page photos. I'm going to show you step by step how to use that tool to enhance your product photos. So for an example, if you're dropshipping with AliExpress, you want to open up the product listing for the item that you're looking to dropship. And once you've consulted with the vendor about using the product photos for your product listing, you want to download the product photos to your computer. I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to save this image to my computer. And you should be able to repeat that step with the other product photos. Next, on Shopify, you'll want to click and open your products page. And this is the page where you'll be able to open and edit your existing products. And you can also add brand new products. I'll be doing this as an example, so I'm going to add a new product. And then you can fill in the product listing page where you can list your title, your description. You're going to upload those product photos here in the media area. And then you can fill in the additional details for the product. Next, you'll want to go ahead and upload the product photos. Once you uploaded a picture of the product, you'll want to click on that image and it's going to take you to a mini editor where you can customize the image. So you can rename the image and you'll have a few other editing options. And down here, you should see color background and the replace background options. And those are both the AI tools that you can use to apply a brand new background to the product photo. I'm going to click on a color background and it's going to analyze the image to detect the main product of the image and then the background. And this way you'll be able to select which background color you would like to add. For example, you can add a clean all white background to help the product stand out. Then you can use the replace background AI feature. This is going to analyze the image and you'll want to describe what the main product of the image is. And then in the text box below that, you want to describe what the brand new background is that you would like it to generate. Then you'll want to click generate and it's going to begin generating a few different background options based on what you typed in for the prompt. And here are the different backgrounds that it has generated based on the prompt that I put in. And you can choose between these backgrounds to see which one you like best. I'm going to click save and it's going to apply those edits to the product photo. Then you'll want to save your product listing to apply the changes. And once you're finished, you can view your product by opening your shop page in your website so that you can see how those edited product photos look. And you can use that free AI tool on Shopify to customize all your different product photos, even the ones that you add to your website's homepage, or other different sections that are on your website. And if you do have a furniture e-commerce store online, or if you're dropshipping high-ticket products, I do have this Shopify theme along with a line of other Shopify themes for in case you would like to save the time from creating and designing your website completely from scratch. Using a Shopify theme can help you to build your website and have a professional look and layout to display your different collections, your services, and more without you having to spend a ton of time. If you're not too familiar with Shopify themes, the template will arrive in a zip file format, and when you open Shopify, then go to your homepage, you'll be able to upload that website theme straight into your store. And you can publish it and begin editing it and adding your products. Most of my Shopify templates are template bundles, so they do include an installation guide with instructions and screenshots to show you how to install the Shopify theme. I have a wide variety of Shopify templates for different types of business niches, including skincare, dropshipping, and even coaching businesses. My theme bundles also include additional templates, like web banner templates, logo templates, and more. If you're looking to save the time from having to design and lay out your website from scratch, you can grab one of my Shopify themes from my website, which I will link in the description box below. For the next Shopify hack, this will be a way that you can use ChatGPT to help you write your brand description. This includes your brand's About Us text or your introduction texts, and even additional sales text in your website, like your shop qualities and more. You can also use ChatGPT to help you write your product descriptions. I'm going to give you a prompt idea that you can put into ChatGPT to help you quickly generate your brand's About Us text. You'll want to open ChatGPT, and I'm going to start off by adding my prompt. So I've asked it to generate a professional About Us text, and you want to let ChatGPT know what your brand's mission is, as well as your brand's goal. Along with your brand's goal, and you can even add as much information about your brand as possible. I'd recommend adding as many details about your brand as possible. You can also specify what style of About Us text you would like it to generate, in case you would like a really upbeat and energetic sounding description, or if you would like your text to have a more professional tone. Then it's going to generate you a brand description. This is also just an example prompt for the brand, and here is what ChatGPT has generated. You can copy this text if you would like to go ahead and use it, or if you would like it revised, you can ask ChatGPT what changes you would like to make to this text. I'm going to copy this text. Then on Shopify, you'll want to open your website, and if you have an About Us section or an image banner section added to your website, you can paste that text into that section. And usually after you paste in the text, you can go in and make any edits to the paragraph that you would like. So if you'd like, you can shorten the text to make the overall description shorter. You should also have a few different customization options on Shopify for ways you can edit the text. So you should be able to put the text in bold, italic, and you can also insert a link leading to another page in your website. For an example, if you have an official About Us page, you can select the text for your About Us section, and then you can click this insert link icon, and you can link it to that page in your website. Then if you have added an image banner section, you'll also be able to adjust the text style of the description text. Right now it is set to body, but you can set it to subtitle or uppercase, just in case you would like to adjust the size of the text. And after editing a section, you'll want to click save to apply those changes to your website. And not only can you use ChatGPT to help you write your About Us text, but I'm also going to show you how to use ChatGPT to help you with your shop qualities or any sales text in your website where you would like to describe your brand's qualities and what your brand offers. So you'll want to open ChatGPT again, and I'm going to insert my prompt. You want to let ChatGPT know the different qualities or benefits that your brand offers, or even why customers should choose your store over other stores. I'm going to click generate, and here's the text that it has written out for each of those brand features. I would like longer versions of these texts, so I'm going to ask it to revise this and just create longer descriptions. And once you get the text, you'll want to copy each of the paragraphs, and then you'll be able to add each one to your website, whether that be on your homepage or another page of your website, like your About Us page. And those are a few different beginner-friendly ways you can use ChatGPT to help you write your brand text for your website. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the sections, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.